Rustic wood furniture and decor bring the raw beauty of the outdoors into our homes, creating spaces that feel warm, organic, and timeless. Rooted in simplicity and authenticity, this style celebrates the natural imperfections and textures of wood, from rugged live-edge tables to hand-carved accents and reclaimed timber pieces. Each knot, grain, and weathered mark tells a story, adding character and soul to any room. Rustic decor often incorporates materials like driftwood, tree stumps, twigs, and natural fibers, blending them seamlessly with earthy tones and soft, muted textiles. The result is a cozy, grounded environment that feels both refreshing and nostalgic, echoing the peacefulness of a forest or countryside retreat. Whether through a solid wood bed frame, a branch-inspired chandelier, or wall art made from wood slices, nature's organic forms and materials create a lasting connection to the world outside. This style suits a variety of interiors, from cozy cabins to modern homes looking for a touch of natural charm. It emphasizes sustainability by often using reclaimed or salvaged wood, making it as eco-friendly as it is beautiful. In a fast-paced, high-tech world, nature-inspired rustic design offers a much-needed breath of calm and authenticity. Hello dear viewers, welcome to Cookie Decor, your creative space for stylish, simple, and inspiring wood decor ideas. Today we will show you the collection of nature-inspired rustic wood furniture and decor ideas. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Cookie Decor. Nature-inspired rustic wood furniture and decor evoke a deep sense of warmth, tranquility, and timeless beauty in living spaces. Rooted in the organic elements of forests, mountains, and fields, this style celebrates the innate charm of raw materials, particularly wood, and draws from the imperfections and stories that natural elements offer. It reminds us of a simpler way of living, deeply connected to the earth, and brings that feeling into modern interiors in a way that feels both nostalgic and refreshingly honest. The soul of rustic wood furniture lies in its authenticity, in the rough-hewn surfaces, the visible knots and grain patterns, the asymmetry that speaks of handcraft rather than machine perfection. Whether it is a live-edge dining table where the outline of the tree's original shape remains intact, or a coffee table made from a reclaimed barn door that still carries the scars of its past, every piece tells a story, grounding the home in a sense of history and nature's enduring beauty. The creative possibilities with rustic wood are endless, and personalization plays a huge role. DIY enthusiasts often find joy in sourcing their own materials, whether it's a fallen tree branch turned into a coat rack, or a collection of driftwood pieces arranged into a sculptural wall hanging. The process of working with natural materials fosters a deeper appreciation for their beauty and uniqueness. Each piece of wood has its own characteristics, color variations, grain patterns, knots, and cracks that guide the design process. Unlike uniform manufactured materials, working with rustic wood requires adaptability, creativity, and respect for what nature offers. The appeal of nature-inspired rustic decor is not only aesthetic but emotional. In an increasingly digital and fast-paced world, people crave tactile experiences and connections to the natural world. Rustic wood pieces offer that connection by bringing organic textures, earthy colors, and the spirit of craftsmanship into daily life. A driftwood mirror above a farmhouse sink, a chunky oak bench at the foot of a bed, or a set of floating shelves fashioned from reclaimed timber can transform a room by adding a layer of authenticity and warmth. The design philosophy embraces imperfections. A crack running through a tabletop is not seen as a flaw, but a feature, a reminder that the wood was once a living, growing thing. This celebration of imperfection mirrors the Japanese aesthetic of wabi-sabi, where beauty is found in transience and imperfection. Incorporating rustic wood furniture and decor into a home also means embracing a slower pace of living. These spaces encourage mindfulness, inviting occupants to slow down, appreciate craftsmanship, and find joy in simple, authentic surroundings. They serve as daily reminders of the beauty and resilience of the natural world, subtly influencing how we live and interact with our environment. Whether sitting at a table that still bears the marks of decades past or curling up beside a fireplace framed with reclaimed beams, rustic wood pieces foster a sense of rootedness and continuity that is often missing in our transient, fast-changing modern lives. Furniture and decor in this style often carry a handmade, artisanal quality. Rather than being mass-produced, many rustic wood pieces are crafted by skilled hands, using traditional techniques that honor the material's natural characteristics. Tree stump side tables, for instance, are left largely unaltered save for some sanding and sealing, allowing the wood's natural texture and form to shine. Branch-based furniture, such as twig chairs or headboards made from intertwining limbs, offers an especially direct connection to nature. Incorporating organic forms in a way that feels both whimsical and grounded. Similarly, root coffee tables, often paired with glass tops to highlight the intricate tangle of roots beneath, become breathtaking centerpieces that celebrate nature's own artistry. Decor elements extend this theme even further, turning the home into a sanctuary that feels deeply tied to the outdoors. Wall art made from slices of logs or branches arranged into patterns adds depth and texture to otherwise flat surfaces. Simple but elegant, twig frames for mirrors or pictures capture a rustic charm while remaining understated enough to fit into various settings. Lighting fixtures crafted from branches, antlers, or reclaimed wood beams create ambient glows that enhance the natural atmosphere of a room. Even small details, like candle holders carved from logs or wooden trays made from salvaged barn wood, contribute to the layered, earthy aesthetic that defines this decor style. Color palettes in nature-inspired rustic spaces tend to be subdued and earthy, echoing the tones found in the wilderness. Shades of brown, beige, cream, and soft gray dominate, often accented by muted greens, blues, or even rust and ochre to reflect the colors of leaves, stones, and soil. Fabrics play a supporting role, with natural materials like linen, wool, cotton, and burlap enhancing the textural richness of the space. A wool throw casually draped over a rough-hewn wooden chair, a linen runner on a live-edge table, or burlap curtains filtering in the sunlight all contribute to a cohesive, nature-centered ambience. An important element of rustic wood furniture and decor is the emphasis on sustainability and respect for materials. Reclaimed wood, in particular, has gained popularity not only for its aesthetic appeal, but for its environmental benefits. Using salvaged wood from old barns, factories, or fallen trees reduces the demand for new lumber and preserves pieces of history that would otherwise be lost. Every mark, dent, and weathered surface in reclaimed wood adds a layer of depth and storytelling to the finished piece, creating an authenticity that cannot be manufactured. It is not unusual for artisans to incorporate history into their work, leaving certain inscriptions or original nails visible, blending old narratives with new uses. The versatility of nature-inspired rustic design allows it to fit into a wide range of home styles, from traditional cabins to modern urban lofts. In a rustic cabin, heavy beams, log furniture, and stone fireplaces dominate, with every element reinforcing the rugged connection to nature. However, even in sleek, contemporary spaces, rustic wood elements can offer a striking contrast that softens the edges and warms the overall aesthetic. A minimalist white kitchen, for example, can feel much more welcoming with the addition of open shelving made from reclaimed wood or a rustic farmhouse table surrounded by modern chairs. Similarly, a modern bathroom can be given a natural twist with a vanity made from a thick slab of wood and a vessel sink carved from stone. Outdoor spaces are natural extensions for rustic wood decor as well. Garden furniture made from unpolished logs, fences crafted from rough branches, and pergolas constructed with reclaimed beams can turn a simple backyard into a nature lover's retreat. Tree stump stools around a fire pit, a swing made from a wooden plank and rope, or a potting bench fashioned from salvaged wood are all ways to integrate rustic charm into outdoor living areas. Using nature as both inspiration and material, these outdoor elements blur the lines between indoor and outdoor living, encouraging a lifestyle that is more in tune with the environment. Nature-inspired rustic wood furniture and decor ideas offer much more than aesthetic appeal. They represent a lifestyle choice, a deeper alignment with nature, sustainability, and authenticity. Through the use of organic materials, traditional craftsmanship, and thoughtful design, these spaces become more than just visually pleasing. They become sanctuaries of comfort, memory, and connection. Whether creating a home that feels like a mountain lodge retreat, or simply adding a few rustic touches to a modern apartment, embracing the spirit of nature through wood can transform any living environment into a place of enduring beauty and soulful warmth. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kooky Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kooky Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.